Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a couple essentials. Your phone is updated and you know your Google account credentials. Once done, open the Play Store or App Store and type Google Docs. Tap the app entry, then press Install or Get. While it downloads, make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular data and sufficient storage space. If prompted, grant the app permission to access files. This lets you open and save documents. You're now set for the next step. After installation, open Google Docs and sign in with your Google account. You'll need to enter your email and password. Once signed in, the app may request permissions. Allow file access so you can edit and save. Enable notifications if you want document alerts. Next, tap the menu to set language and turn on offline access for folders you use frequently. This ensures documents sync automatically and are available without internet. Make sure syncing complete. Now create a new document with the plus button or open an existing file from Google Drive. You can rename and start typing immediately. Use the menu to share, add collaborators, or view version history. This explains why changes are saved and who edited. Once you finish, confirm the document shows a sync checkmark. If syncing fails, check internet connection, verify you're signed into the correct account, and restart the app. Clearing cache often resolves persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.